Hi friends, welcome to Circuit Info YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn keycard system in hotel. Keycard system is allow the electricity to be switched off automatically when the guest rooms are vacated, thus avoiding needless consumption of electricity. How does a hotel keycard turn on electricity? By inserting a keycard, the two contacts of power supply were turned on. Therefore, when the guests leave the room, the contacts are disconnected and the power off cut off while the key is removed. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. If you are ready, get it started.